here's our carambola that was hammered by Hurricane Irma. The wind was coming out of that direction and it pretty much had a clear shot at this tree. Most of the leaves were blown off, but carambola can take a lot of abuse that way. So even though it looked terrible then, it looks pretty darn good now. It got most of its leaves. Of course, we've had some wind since that, so some of those new leaves got blown off. But it's back to looking like a normal tree, and in fact, it has fruit. Funny thing about carambola and big wind events is sometimes the action of the wind bending the branches, stressing the branches, can actually trigger the tree to fruit. I'm not sure if this is the case with these fruit, but sometimes you'll get an entire tree that has off-season fruit. So here are some fruit from this tree. We didn't get a lot of fruit this time, but this fruit is about 2 weeks later than our last fruit that we picked from our other carambola trees. So don't despair if you've had all of the leaves blown off of your carambola tree. It could come back in a few months with some wonderful fruit.